Hello, good day there, employers in Turkey. My name is Maria Sherry Golondrina, 38 years of age, high school graduate, a single parent of two lovely children, and I come from the Philippines. I have an experience for taking care of the baby from infants, toddler kids until 10 years old. And aside my Philippines experience, I have also 8 years experience in abroad as a household worker slash nanny in two different countries. The first one, I served in 7 members in the family for 4 years in Amman, Jordan. They have 5 children and two adults. They have 14 years old, 10 years old, 7 years old, 3 years old, and a 10 months old boy. The second one, I served in 6 members in the family for 4 years also in United Arab Emirates. They have 4 children and two adults. They have 14 years old, 8 years old twins, and a 6 years old girl. Being a nanny is not easy, but if you love and dedicated to your work, you can do it easy. My main responsibility is to taking care of the baby and the kids. I'm preparing nutritious foods and snack for them, feeding them, take a bath for them, changing diapers, preparing them go to school, sending them go to school and fixing them from the school. And if the children not around, I'll do household chores also, like cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, washing cars, gardening, and of course, cooking. I help them if they have projects and homeworks in the school. I help them also for basic learning like writing, identifying colors, numbers, and shape. For the kids, I accompany them if they have activities indoor or outdoor like playing and swimming. As a person, I am hardworking, trustworthy, a kind of person, flexible, and of course, and I'm always willing to learn. Mom and sir, if you hired me, I will promise that I will do my best to serve in your family and I will follow your rules and regulations. As a nanny of your children, I will assure you that I will love and care and treat as my own. Thank you and have a good day.